A N words. A N. The sound of A. A N. Very good. A M. Okay. Next A T. Okay. M is very good color. V A N. Van. E T. Very good. E T. P E T. Pet. E N words. Yes. P E N. Pen. Very good. So next is sound of I. Okay. Yes. Where is I N words? I N. Yes. Very good. Very good. Kyle. P I N. Pin. No Kyle. This is I. Okay. The sound of I words. B I N. Bin words.